Okay, this is N2LEM with another quick video clip. I usually don't do these clips, but this one I'm going to do because I'm just blown away by this purchase that I made from N9NOS Gene Pincus. I have been looking for a set of Yaesu Twins for a long time. I had a pair many years ago, but and this is the receiver. But anyway, I put a post up on QTH for a set of twins, and Gene, several people reached out to me, but Gene reached out to me and he said, Len, I have a one owner, fully loaded with all the options, and we got to talking. Originally, I was looking for just the receiver, and I wanted one that had the 2-meter, the 6-meter transverter boards in it. I wanted one that had all the crystal slots populated. The key, all the filters, and Gene had this set, and he told me that it was one owner, like I said. The transmitter, the FL-101, which I haven't even unpackaged yet. I'm going to do that right now. But I paid a very, very good amount of money for these. I did negotiate with Gene, and Gene definitely came down in price, and he shipped them both FedEx. They were packaged so well. Ton of packaging. There's actually, you could see there's a floor of hard foam, a ton of air wrap, bubble wrap. The receiver was wrapped in a plastic bag. And he, in the correspondence, like I said, he offered to sell me the receiver by itself, and he sent me a ton of pictures, and I was so taken back by the pictures. But sometimes pictures, even the best of digital pictures, don't really show the full physical component of the unit until you get it. Sometimes pictures can be misleading, and I know for many, many years Gene has been, he's been an avid seller. He's a very active seller. He only sells high quality stuff, but I gotta tell you, and I'm very apprehensive when I buy. But when I opened up and I saw the way that this was packaged, and I've done hundreds of transactions over the years, this looks like it's literally factory fresh. Gene told me that the original owner had all of the options installed at AES by their technician Miles, who installed the 2 and the 6-meter boards, the crystals, the filters, and stuff. And it's fully loaded. I'll do another follow-up video showing you the inside. And then I opened up. I was so pleasantly surprised of the receiver. I started to open up the box for the transmitter, and he had all the interconnects. What he did was he took the actual VFO, the screw handles, and he unscrewed them off so they wouldn't get hit for both the receiver and the transmitter. He removed the fan and you could see the gasket off of the transmitter, so when it would ship, and you can clearly see that nothing would get damaged. I mean, this is the way you really package it up. But I'm going to go ahead and continue. I can't really unwrap the radio and do this with my iPhone, but I'm going to do another video follow-up with wow, I am so taken back This is going to get a lot of use. It really is. I would have probably paid double. And I paid quite a bit of money for this. It took my budget to the end, but after seeing this, I mean, for what I paid for this, I could have bought something, completely state-of-the-art. But that's just not my cup of tea. I mean, I have that stuff. This is just, it's outrageous. It really is. So, Gene, I'm going to send you this link. I got to let you know, I am so taken back by this, and kudos. You and me are going to be doing some more business, some buying and selling and some trading. I am shocked. The packaging, absolutely over the top. And that's the thing, when you're buying something used, you're always on pins and needles of, you could sit and you could tell, the sellers, please wrap very well, wrap the corners, wrap it like a mummy, package it tightly in a box, make sure that you put tons of bubble wrap and tons of styro peanuts and foam, especially in the inside corners of the box, because no matter, when you go about shipping, and once it goes into the hands of the shipping gorillas, especially when it travels in between hubs, and that doesn't necessarily, it could be any carrier, whether it's FedEx, UPS, the post office. It's when it goes in between those hubs and those boxes are tossed. I've received a lot of stuff damaged, but I'm sure that when I finish opening up this, it's gonna be breathtaking. So anyway, this is N2LEN saying best 7.3s with the Yaesu FL-101D Receiver and the matching FL-101 Transmitter. Best 7.3.